How do you go from like having the best, highest quality OEM Civic Si to this fucking turd?
Please show me the greatest burnout of all time. YouTube wants to see full send.
You want to see full send?
Yes, full send, whatever it got.
Alright, you just get it. I'ma fucking send this shit, bro.
Good morning. Behind me I have a 93 Civic Si hatchback. Before I get this video started, I need you guys' help. I am doing a full restore on this car, so I need you guys to comment below what color should we paint this car. I want to go with an aftermarket color. I don't want to go with anything that came like black, white. I want to do something different. You know, obviously like the green hatchback or a blue or a orange or a yellow, something that didn't come in this year color. So I want to do something a little bit different. I want you guys' opinions. Drop it in the comments. What color do you think we should paint this car? Well, let's get into the car. I'm going to show you guys how the car looks in its current state, where I got the car from, and future plans with the car. The plan today is to tear this whole car apart. I don't think I'm going to get like the full tear down for you guys on video because it's a stock car or whatever, but I'll show you guys its current state. And then my plan today is to completely strip this car, get it ready for paint. It's wintertime here in Connecticut, so it's build season for us. You build a car in December, finish it in about 2 months, and then hopefully by summertime the car will be ready. Well, let's get into the car. It's a 93 Civic Si hatchback. This car is super clean as far as structure-wise. Paint is not that great. Obviously, it's seen way better days, has sun fade all over it. But it's a solid car. It's not bad. It's something I can definitely restore. The bottom of the door has a little bit of damage. I have a red door from my other car, so I don't know if that one's gonna be fixable or not, but I'll give you guys a full walk around the car. It's a Civic Si. The badge is completely faded. Car is bone stock, has like a few like aftermarket things, like obviously the exhaust doesn't look like it's factory. Interior is super dirty, has all like the original mats, original seats, original back seats, the world's greatest shift knob, GSR shift knob. But it's a driver's car. It's nothing special by any means, to me at least. Yes, it's a Civic Si hatchback. Like I said, it's seen way better days. It's not a collector's car. Maybe for someone to restore it back to OEM, cool, but this is definitely a build car for us. And it's sad to say it's another Si hatchback, but it's just what I found, and I got a really good deal on it. So check the car out. Fenders, front end is good. It's gonna stay. This door looks pretty good. Door handle's a little chipped up. It needs all new moldings. Moldings are all cracked. The sunroof does work. I have another one from my old car, so I'm gonna put that on with all new moldings. But the moldings are shot pretty much. Like the whole car, even these are supposed to be black, they're silver. I'll show you guys the engine bay in a second. Just want to give you guys a full walk around the car before we get this whole car restored. Like I said, drop in the comments what color. Yellow would be dope. I think a green, maybe a blue, orange. I don't know. I'm talking about exterior, interior, engine bay, shave the bay, stuff like that. So let me know what you guys think. This thing is solid, man. It's like there's no dents in the roof. It's just faded. But overall, great car. It's not bad. Yes, I have a great body guy's gonna take care of this complete car. I don't know. I'm stuck between two people, just depending on who has time. Let's get into the engine bay. Show you guys the driver's seat. The back. Steering wheel's in good shape. It needs a crazy detail. All this stuff is coming out. When I talk about full strip, like taking door panels off, full interior, every plastic, every molding is coming out. It's gonna be a shit show inside the shop. The greatest thing is it still has the cargo cover. It's all original. You guys can see that. It's like, I love getting cars like this. Interior's all there. Obviously stuff needs a clean up, but this is its current state. Things seen a lot better days. this thing seen a lot better days. But great. It's a great shop project. So between, my plan is to get all my cars that I have for build projects in the shop completely stripped. I'll start new playlists for them. That way I can start shipping them off to paint. Paint takes like month, 2 months. So that's my plan. I don't want to be midsummer and having 4 or 5 cars to build. So I just want to get them out the way. I'm going to get all the cars that I have completely torn down. It's a bunch of cars you guys haven't seen, but that's my plan. I'm going to strip every single car, get all the paint, get the future build, like kind of plan everything out. That way we can just start banging them out in the summertime. But let's get into the engine bay. Talk about grimy. This thing is dirty, but it's all there for the most part. So original hood, original fenders, original motor, original transmission, missing a heat shield. It looks like it needs a valve cover gasket. But yeah, I mean, this car runs good, it runs great, but it's time to retire it. It's completely stock, like it has some aftermarket radiator, but other than that, I mean, for the most part, it's solid, it's all there. So the plan today is to rip everything off. Everything that has a molding, that has anything I don't want paint on is getting removed. It's gonna take maybe a 2-3 day process, but you know us, we are gonna get it done. I wanna do a K turbo, definitely something K series. This is not a B series car for me. A B series car, maybe just do like a regular Civic one day, but K is the way. I'm sorry to say, I keep saying it, but one day I'll do a B series build for you guys. Anyways, let's go grab J-Rock and see what he thinks about the build. You know I love you, right?
I need some sunglasses.
You need some,
every time you say you love me, I get fucked somehow, real good.
Do you?
And YouTube knows it. They know it's coming.
Do I ever ask you for anything?
I don't know yet. There's nothing in the parking lot. I don't know what the fuck's going on.
No, there's nothing, right? It's empty.
Yeah,
Let's take a walk, baby.
Yeah, I bet.
Let's take a walk. You said every time.
Some good timing, huh?
Good timing, right? Perfect timing.
For you.
It's perfect timing for us. Us. It's wintertime, right?
It feels like it today.
It's cold out.
It's brick.
Wintertime means what? Build season.
I thought wintertime means hibernation.
Hibernation?
Yeah.
I got a project for us.
Why you gotta hide around the corner?
Because I didn't want you to like walk out of work. I didn't want you to put your 2 weeks in. I thought you were getting fired after the last SI build.
I wish I was at this point. This thing is clapped.
What'd you just say?
Clapped the fuck out.
It's clapped, right?
Yeah. How do you go from like having the best, highest quality OEM Civic Si to this fucking turd?
Bro, hold up. It's
a well-oiled machine right here.
You seen a valve cover?
Yeah, I haven't seen gunk like that since like 2000.
You used to see this back at the dealer days, bro. But overall, it's all there though, right?
Yeah.
You think all the bolts are coming out of this one?
It's pretty solid. No, this is definitely a New England car. For sure.
Not bad though.
Where?
What?
Where? Where? Look at even the glass in the sunroof is clapped.
Yo, look at the antenna. Like,
you know what's amazing is it doesn't have rust and it doesn't even look. There's no dents.
I don't think there's any dents on here. Oh, on the door. Passenger door has on the bottom. Someone might have been. If you guys see, it has like a line dent right there.
It's pretty bad.
It's not too bad. This car's not too shot. The interior's all there. Look,
GSR shift knob though.
Best shift knob in the world. What do you think? What are your thoughts looking at the car, first impression?
I don't want to touch it.
You don't
I've been working on such nice cars lately. This is like...
Yo, imagine what the bay is going to look like when we're done stripping this.
This is below my pay grade.
Yo, you talking shit about this car and... this car is like super hard to get, right? Like super hard to find.
Kev! this is a build for Kev.
Damn. Yo, it's a solid car though. Not bad. You know why I brought you out here though? You wanna know why I really brought you out here? Hold on, let me find it.
We're gonna do a burnout? This shit probably don't even got a clutch left in it.
We don't even know yet. It's a driver's car. These beaters be doing the best burnouts.
That's the thing, is the clapped out cars are always the best ones. The clean ones, you know, the clutches aren't even broken in on those.
Please show me the greatest burnout of all time. Don't be like me and burn the clutch.
I'm gonna fucking send this shit, bro.
Please do pop the tires for me.
Is it warmed up at least?
Yeah, it's warmed up. It's ready to go. I drove it here for you. It runs good.
It smells lovely.
I can't wait to see this. You guys know it's tradition, right? I gotta do a burnout in it before we get started. 93 Civic Si hatch build. Another build.
Clutch feels sketchy.
Bro,
it's a setup.
Just drop the trans out of that bitch.
I don't even think it would stall right now.
Break the axles. Do whatever you gotta do. YouTube wants to see full send.
You wanna see full send?
Yes, full send. Whatever it got.
Alright, you just get it.
Such a bad influence. Yo.
It ain't bad.
It's not bad?
Nah, it ain't bad.
You like it better than the black one?
Yeah. Let's go for a ride.
Alright, let's go for a spin. Let's go for a ride.
This shit is gas.
That's alright. If you get left stranded, put my seatbelt on with you because you are King Send.
Shit got heat.
Yeah, it got heat. It's the greatest SI of all time. No airbag. I like that. He's been up here for like 5 years. You think it'll like chirp the 1-2?
I don't know. I'm about to find out. We're doing dollar bets.
Oh no, you're gonna make the tranny drop no matter what.
You think so?
I can feel the clutch already.
Try to do a second gear burn.
No, second gear burnout ain't happening in here. It's too quiet though. It's too good. Should took the exhaust off.
We'll go back and cut it.
We should have blew it up.
This shit is worthy of blowing up.
It's not that bad, bro. It runs good. Shift linkage is kind of tight.
Hurt.
Damn, I thought you were gonna like talk good about this car.
Why? You get me all pumped up on all these clean cars coming in, and then this turd shows up.
It's an SI though, right? It's a plus.
I wouldn't even call it an SI. The way this sounds.
Let me see something, J-Rock. Let me see something. Show YouTube something.
It's gonna take like an hour to get up.
What are you gonna do? A second gear burnout?
No, I'm gonna try to get chirp out a second.
Alright.
Shit feels like a passport.
Oh, it's gonna take fucking 10 years to get out of first gear. Oh my god, no.
Yo, don't put that as the intro.
Yeah, that's gonna be the intro, bro.
Yo, fuck this knob, bro.
They're gonna be like, yo, J-Rock, what happened, bro?
I'll tell you what happened. This car is so much of a piece of shit, it won't even let me shift.
Let's give you a second time around right now. Nah, it ain't chirping.
That shit got CVT training.
Yo, it's a good stock car. It's not bad. It runs good. I mean, for the most part, like it's all there. I can't wait to see what it looks like underneath the carpet and underneath the car. But from from the body, I think it's gonna be clean.
Can we present it to Kev because it's new build?
No, this is our build. Us.
Your build.
Us.
Can you build it?
Us. We.
Let me vlog.
We. You can't lie. It's a solid car.
It's got character.
It's got you know, it's got
bird shit on the window.
It's got potential.
No molding.
Yeah, it's missing the molding. This is aftermarket. The glass needs to be replaced.
The question is, what the fuck are we doing with this thing?
What if this was if you had?
This wouldn't be this should be on marketplace for sale right now if this was my outside.
I'm thinking full restore, like paint outside, engine bay, interior, different color than the original color. Obviously, like something like say yellow, orange, green, blue, like something that's not a factory color.
think we're bringing this car back.
You've never said that. There's coming back.
This shit. This is probably the worst car that's ever rolled in here.
Bro, windows come out, all this stuff comes out and gets restored. It's gonna be it's gonna be expensive. Yeah. It's gonna be hella expensive, but I'm with the shits.
I'm with the shits because it ain't my money.
I'm thinking K turbo, maybe front wheel drive. Let me know what you guys think. Supercharged, something that makes power, that's clean, subtle, looks good. Maybe some spoon wheels. I don't know yet, but I think something along that nature. But for the most part, I think we just need to get a bunch of these cars stripped and out. You've been saying that for the past couple of months. Get these cars torn down and out to paint.
It sucks because getting shit back from paint takes a while. So.
It takes months. But our plan is to strip this car completely, like complete everything. Maybe even build like a dolly for the car and get the car like on rollers and get the interior completely out, engine out, all the wheels off, suspension, exhaust, gas tank, literally everything. So that's gonna be the plan for this week.